na the man come on here tiawane in sema aba post Liverpool and Tottenham efa Jurgen Klopp no ho na em say anope nkomo no dodo na no de ama me bonju so no ade ba kwa maka wa hadada say ekroma na yete no matter of interest. You get it. Now the problem with refereeing in England no one omo nyade and then two omo very inconsistent. Asem ni si wa ha asem krona esi no ombe judging it different, but esi o baby fufra they will bring a different judgment. Now the Gallagher was Sky referee watch SOMPA could see the Gallagher nen sema oka efa nioma ekoso ebra Diogo Jota and Oliver Skip in asem. So let's go to the Gallagher now. Into the Gallagher them say who they take akra na share incident here course between Anderson and Hollandi 19
by a player to play the ball. I think is it Anderson as the player comes in. I think he throws himself in and he's allowed to do that. I don't think Haaland sees him, his boots up. I think if the referee gives a free kick and a yellow card, it's enough. It's reckless. It's certainly not dangerous. It's certainly not gone to hurt the player.
Should that have been a red card, Dermot?
If it had been a red card, he couldn't complain, could he, Rob? I know Skip puts his head in. The argument is he invades Jota's space. Well, should Jota have his foot that high? Most certainly not.
No, thank you very. You see, this is the issue. As seven and ten in the TTN and at the Gallagher they are torn. AC or Holland and Anderson sono or see Holland on Yami or who be a well who know a Anderson woman torn the body in the bay until we no more red card and ye. But AC Jota any Oliver Skip no, we are told say a more red card down to me. Two incidents that are very similar, very similar incidents, but this is what we are saying about it. It is what is robbing English game no of its niceness because obi anya oshe. Now we come here and now no pay. Michael Richards can't say nibi about the Jurgen Klopp into the okay.
I mean, absolutely mental, wasn't it? It really was. So, astonishing end to the game. And Klopp pulling his hamstring as well.
Come on, elaborate on that though, Chris. Because if that was any other manager in the Premier League, we talk so highly of Jurgen Klopp, don't we? We absolutely love him, the football, everything that he's done. But if it was, I don't know, Gary O'Neill doing that to a fourth official, everyone would be dragging him all over socials and through the media. Rory would be writing pieces and everything. But because it's Klopp, he gets away with it.
I don't think he'll get away with this one.
Has he got away with it?
No, I don't think he'll get away with this one. I mean, personally, I think...
Okay. You found the funny side to it, though, didn't you, Chris? You found the funny side to it.
Yeah.
No, you see, the reason why we are worried about these incidents, and personally, I would personally be worried about them, it's okay. The fact that, see, the more we talk about these things, and the number you never. I say, Gary O'Neill, Bournemouth manager, and near Klopp here, then so could you not referee him a kasa be breaching in any hour now, or GD Senka, kind of Basa, can him at the fact Gary O'Neill. This is Michael Richards.
SOMPA Sports.
Now, Gary O'Neill, coach Senamidi can kind of manage Bournemouth. Yanko Gary O'Neill, honey, Yanko Shenyo. Oh yeah, Gary O'Neill. What Gary O'Neill did post-match and halftime when his team Bournemouth played against West Ham. So we come back to the studio and then we do this. This is Gary O'Neill. Trinidine. Gary O'Neill is busily insulting the referee. I'm on the yellow card.
Yeah.
He's speaking directly into his face. Gary O'Neill did that. Gary O'Neill, Okochi, Bournemouth. So, what is wrong with the English game? Not much. This same Gary O'Neill, I can't answer me. You would see him in another video, openly going after the referee. That's Gary O'Neill. Kennedy swearing at the referee and telling him his mind. What has changed? Didn't he enter Omode Gary O'Neill by a reference? So, Jurgen Klopp, Gary O'Neill, yes, I do. But now you're trying to. You see, the problem with these people, for me, is accountability. Mamo, hypocrisy at the media level, hypocrisy at the punditry level, hypocrisy at the decision level. You see, the Premier League is entertainment driven. Obia maybe. Look at how they hype games.
Yeah.
Obekona game no current senior you're hyping them. But this is where my worry is. Why do you put Gary O'Neill into trouble when he has done that before? My position, they should punish Jurgen Klopp. That's my personal position.
Or position or no?
They should punish him. Yes. But nobody in that country can argue. Support Tierney hasn't got an agenda against Klopp and his team.
Are they?
See, last year he denied them the league title. That's why he's incensed. Omoko Tottenham.
Yes.
There was a red card on Kane. Wama. Then Jota got a very clear penalty.
SOMPA.
And he's the same guy that went to Everton. Ball. Rodri Nsa. 1 year Premier League no match officials in the patch on. And no game no. We are all talking about Jota and Skip. What is a pundit Nibi Kasa about Skip and Luis Diaz there?
No.
Why? Because they want entertainment. Pick and choose. The one that would sell their brand.
Oh, okay.
And so you'd have to understand them. I saw what Premier League for that. They are selling a brand. I saw more tone ye. Send a buyer and then you read Arsenal and Chelsea. The marketing drive around the Premier League is overshadowing the quality of refereeing. Now, these people must be held accountable. This is in France. Jeremy Pignat, Enra Odinant, and Troy. After the game, he is here explaining to everybody, didn't you 1 year penalty? We will not put the video on, we will not put the audio on, but all the this is a League 1 referee.
A professional referee.
He's explaining his decisions. Why are referees in England not accountable? Why? Look, you should be able to explain. Also, man, they know there or trim. Exactly. You should be able to do that. It should be consistent with every league. So almost in common course between Port and Jurgen. We are on the man about bunting. You see, in other jurisdictions, VAR near course between VAR officials and the on-field officials, man, sound near above amount of TV. There must be accountability in refereeing. Refereeing your interview. Refereeing your interview. Your baby area. No, but this is in France. Jeremy Pignat or training decisions. I think you embrace Sadi because we have Premier League referees now. Or more decisions now. We have to be truthful to ourselves. Almost said that and almost also accountable. Why? Because they are allowed to do whatever they want to do. The one person say, Premier League referee, there's a big referee in the system. Leeds, Javi Garcia quite. Now, Omujano quite whenever. Javi Garcia in fact, he's not been that good for Leeds in all honesty. Yes. Even in records, our matches, our ball and everything, clearly you can argue. Say Javi Garcia has not done the best job for team. No. But Leeds, on it, Victor Orta, sporting director, and Andrea Graziani, Pamo. But they didn't at least take that decision. They need to save their Premier League status. They say Leeds are just 1 point above the relegation zone, and anything at all is possible. Or make mark of from Bielsa Leeds by the project was that they will be consistent in the Premier League. Now see, you must go back to the old dog for help. And who is the old dog this time round? Obviously, the old dog is Big Sam Allardyce. So Obia Onim Saya Ejumawi, how to save clubs. Now the added incentive for Sam Allardyce said Obabe said Ejumawi, and he said, he has the potential of relegating Everton. The last job I ever Munifrimu. But Leeds have gone back to what the British would call the dinosaurs. Long ball merchants and the bonnet tin prebono nakoshe. It's warrior. Pragmatist omo person omo ball efe eba Premier League no mo ye nyoma. Ya started yi bi film. Patrick Vieira. Emerson say Crystal Palace ahwe. Say Mr. Parish sama nye bibia me team ne betima ko relegation no. Omo to many chere baby. One omo coin. They went straight to Roy Hodgson. Roy Hodgson as someone I know kind no. You take a credit. Roy Hodgson person Chelsea say no Kawaka league no. Edumane de ne ba so mbe no. Upon match no, you didn't take kakra.
Answering the question, yes, I think we are safe. Before you start answering the question, yes, I think we are safe.
before you even ask any question here, Hodgson say and can't say, or did you say Crystal Palace FC? Didn't you know Mokofaro Hodgson?
Or the Omobewa become.
The job is done. Another good job going on by another dinosaur in the English game. The one being died by Neil Warnock. Neil Warnock and Chebiano Premier League or Quabontin, one of them only. He's only a Huddersfield Town manager. Huddersfield or more real free championship. Now, I coach Cardiff 2-1. Number of passes or more completely and 86. Some pass here, my Jeff.
86.
86, but when they are share match. To Kuma, or born a tin, no money wapre, maybe be a coded. So the dinosaurs are back, and clubs are going back to them for safety. And Nunti and Rebecca leads. A pragmatist in Marcelo Bielsa. And the baller air by look at appointments on where Jesse Marsh. Oh no, baller F. Last year, Leeds nearly went to relegation. Jesse Marsh and the Jomo, Emma Rafinha in the 9 mois, no Nampaxon. This time around, Leeds face relegation. I didn't know among Pamo Havi Garcia, among Copper coach or body pre-born in the Mammy. This time around, some long ball merchant in Roy Hodgson. So Samala is born in tin because among near Roy Hodgson. I have Crystal Palace no. Yeah, can the football na some to the be amount say kwaku. In rounding up, one of the things we can say about football to you this time around and they say and you might be brasses and one of the key ones no kwaku the fact that fans now have become a key component of the football we discuss. Now send now no your mama so tell and say King Charles and Chibia be any coronation no. And no Celtic for the ball. Inti Celtic fans no. Good. So, Glasgow Celtic fans, and I'm catch King Charles. I didn't even dear na ya coronating and say, I'm sorry for your language. This true the coronation up for coronation is short. Yes. Celtic anti-establishment. Rangers pro-establishment. Look at the number of people in the stadium. Look at the occasion, the TV cameras. Almost say Obana Queen Consort. No? Camilla Parker Bowles na oye King Charles na ye no oye home wrecker obese obi fi oye side check obi gu obi aware say e ma nipa no kura wuye nti no omo tonyum na omo kasa ampa say Princess Diana wa nke no na Queen Diana enye ne say akofa we abeto omo so a omo ye coronation. You cannot take the people away from what they do.
Yo mate, me da se pa bozo.